welcome to another beautiful day of fun and learning with Dr. Ace. This segment is dedicated to all parents and guardians who patiently sat with their toddlers while viewing the first and second segments of our lesson on colors. Thank you for playing your part as my partners in molding and honing our toddlers' basic academic skills. This segment is also dedicated to all my viewers who took time to give their kind and generous comments, thus inspiring me to do more. Thank you to all of you. This segment aims to answer polite queries on how parents and guardians could help their toddlers enhance what they have learned from my videos on colors. It is also the goal of this segment to help preschool teachers in the making of their visual materials in colors to aid them in their lessons. And to parents and guardians who says they are not tailored fit to teach their toddlers, here are some simple ways on how we can enhance our toddlers' academic skills. Okay, so we can start with the making of the giant colors I used in my video. Okay, so we start making our giant crayons. Giant colors would catch the attention of our toddlers. Okay, materials to be used are colored paper, piece of bond paper, we have our ruler, scissors, we have our cardboard, and we have our paste. Okay, so with our cardboard here, you have to cut a rectangle which size is according to your liking. Okay, so I have here so that my students could see it well, so I have it this big. Okay, from this triangle, try to imagine how big the tip of your crayon is. So I did it this way. Okay, there we go. So I have it here now. I have my first pattern. Copy this so it would be easier. So how many colors do you like to have? So you have, if you like to have 10, then make 10 of this. Okay, now how do we put the colors? Get your colored paper. Okay, my crayon is half the size of my colored paper, so I can just fold it together and I can cover it this way. Now I have to trace the tip of my crayon there so that it would fit. So I have to trace it and then cut it. There. And then I have cut it carefully. The shape now, and I have to put it there inside. There, I have it here now. Then I have to paste it there. So you can also use double-sided tape so the paste would not have markings on my crayons. There goes my big crayon. Okay, so what else do we need? We still have to have the logo here. So we need a piece of bond paper and then make an oblong shape to match the logo of our crayon. There we go. And then don't paste it yet. You are going to write the name Crayola on it. There we have it, the Crayola color, and then place it there, and then we do the linings here, the outlines here, and the outline there. So draw a line. Here, and the lines there. Then we draw the wave. I drew the wave and then I have to color it. Okay, so it goes this way. That's already done. And then I have to do it at the bottom too. And there we have it. Okay, so you already have your crayon. Okay, so we have this pink now, and then we have the blue one here. So we have completed our colors. Here we have it. So that's just as easy as it is. Okay, these colors now would come in handy in teaching colors to your toddlers and to your students, dear teachers. Okay, so in my second segment, I used these crayons to describe colors of some fruits and vegetables. Okay, I have here my fruits and vegetables. I drew the fruits and vegetables and then colored it. So blackberries. If you're not so sure of the colors of the fruits, you can use the internet. Like I had blueberries, but blueberries are not always blue because blueberries come in purple too. I had rose apples. Rose apples in our language, this is makopa. And we have our turnips. I drew some grapes, which is a common fruit that children see every day. Okay, and then oranges and chicos, and we have the apples, we have the mangoes, and then we have our bananas. Okay, so there goes my visuals for segments 1 and 2. So how are we going to teach our children colors? Okay, how are we going to enhance their knowledge in colors, or how are we going to help them remember the colors they are taught? I have here some strategies where we can make every day a learning experience for our children. Okay, first, we can use our colors. I'm going to give you some strategies on how they could remember colors according to their pacing. Okay, so first is we have to teach them colors one at a time. Okay, so maybe you can sit together and then give them some crayons, and then why don't we color some things or some drawings in our on our papers. Okay, so you can make some drawings, or you can already search the internet for drawings, and then you can print them and let your children color it. But one way of letting your children remember color is teach them one at a time. Okay, so one strategy is for you to give them things to color with just one color first. You can use here your crayons, or you can use watercolor. This is now depending on how you can guide your children. Okay, so a ball. Okay, color this ball blue. Okay, so your child will be coloring this blue. So that is blue, the ball is blue, you're coloring it with blue. Blue would stick to the mind of your toddler. Okay. If you know that your child already remembers the color blue, you can add another ball and say this ball is color blue. Color the other ball red. Blue and red. Okay, so I colored it blue, I colored it red. Now you ask your child, what color is this and what color is this? If they can identify two colors already, introduce them another color. Okay? Another way of enhancing the color skills of your child is, first they have to change into their pajamas. Even from the pajamas that they're going to use, you can have, you can introduce, or you can ask colors that they already know. Okay, there are a lot of colors here. No, so I could ask them one at a time. So what color do I have here? And what color do I have here? So this is yellow and that is blue. Okay, there. Then after their pajamas, you can lie down in bed with them, and then of course you have your story time. Give them some, even their storybooks could have colors. Okay, so while reading the storybooks, you have to stop once in a while and ask them what colors we have here. Okay, so what color is the bug here? Okay, so that's brown. And then what color is our hat here? It's color black. So from the pages of our storybook, you can teach them colors. Okay, so even during our meals, we can teach them colors. So we have here a set of things we use on our tables, what they use. Okay, so we have a brown bowl. So what color is your bowl? It's brown. What color is your saucer? It's green. What color is your spoon and fork? Okay, the handles are red. Okay, and what color is your plate? Again, blue. Okay, so that's as easy as the everyday learning experience of your children on colors. So how else could we teach colors to our children as interestingly as they would like to learn? Okay, so another way is giving them colored papers. Then you do the paper folding together. What color? It's yellow. So you fold it together. There. I am now going to make a yellow flower. Okay, so see, what color is your flower? I have a yellow flower. As easy as that. Or you can have another color. Sides, and what do you have? We have a red ball. Okay, so you can add on some paper foldings, simple paper foldings for your children when you introduce colors. Okay, but again, introduce one color at a time until they remember that particular color, and then introduce another one and try to ask them the colors of each of the objects that you have done. Okay, so every day is a learning experience for your children. You can even have games like bring me a red jacket. Okay, anything inside the house. Bring me a white handkerchief. Bring me a red bag. Okay, so we would not have any problem of teaching our children colors because there are a lot of colors around us. Okay, so make every day a learning experience for your children. Give time and enjoy your learning with them. I'll see you with more activities with your toddlers.